we have seen how digitalization, for example, using analytics to do audit work, right, which traditionally used to be very manual and tedious. Now with the use of analytics, rule-based methodology checking, I think, that has actually improved manual checking for audit work. We also see, the allowed of direct data transfer using secured apps for companies, as well as the setup of automation processes, right, to actually save on the man hours for repetitive work as well. Most importantly, I think would be the emerging trend of moving on to cloud. Everyone is talking about cloud-based. So first of all, definitely would be to improve work accuracy, reducing human errors, and also for the easy collection of customer data, which will actually help businesses make better informed decisions in terms of resource planning and business directions. I think they also actually empower and allow employees like us to actually work remotely, right, in terms of a pandemic and a crisis. Of course, definitely the easy flow of information between the different stakeholders, be it internally as well as external stakeholders, which I feel allow the efficiency of information or workflow. First of all, the company would probably have to consider whether they have the capabilities, whether they have the resources, as well as whether they have the buy-ins from the end user. For example, is the organization there to provide the type of resources to enable the employees to be able to work towards digitalization goals, as well as to identify are there any potential roadblocks or obstacles, in terms of knowledge gap, security issues, technical issues, whether the current employees, right, have the capabilities to make use of the resources and the technology. In the long run, organizations also would like to think about how do I ensure the sustainability of this entire digitalization journey. I think that is the key thing to the long-term digitalization growth. First would be to get the buy-in of the employees. A shift in mindset actually helps the adoption of digitalization a bit more seamless. I think the companies should also understand from the consumer's point of view, what are the business needs, in terms of adopting certain processes instead of jumping or plunging straight into any emerging technologies. If you don't understand the needs, such emerging technologies may not serve its correct purposes in the process. Finally, I feel that, back to the point where I mentioned, the company probably has to actually also consider if they have sufficient resources to support this entire digitalization journey.